Hello grade 5 students, welcome back to another art class session. Today, we will continue exploring the exciting topic we had last week, and that is emphasis. To start, take a look at these amazing artworks. Take a moment to observe them carefully. Now, let's reflect on these images. What do you notice in these artworks? Where is the focal point in these artworks? How does the artwork achieve emphasis? Are you familiar with this type of artwork? I want you to ponder on these questions. Now, let's quickly recall the principle of emphasis. What is emphasis? Emphasis is what we focus on in an artwork. It happens when one element stands out more than another. What is a focal point? It is the part of an image that draws your eye to the most important area. How do artists create emphasis? Artists use contrast between elements of art like shape, color, or size. It is through number 1, hierarchy, the largest dominant object. Number 2, space, the biggest occupied area. Number 3, shape, a unique shape among similar ones. 4, color, a striking contrast in colors. 5, value, strong contrast of light and dark. 6, detail, the most detailed part of the artwork. 7, zing, an object that is different from the rest. 8, direction, where directional lines converge. And isolation, a single object separated from the others. Now, let's talk about positive and negative space. When we say positive space, it is the area occupied by the main subject or focal point, while negative space is the empty or unoccupied area helping the subject stand out. In other words, it is the background. In this image, the tree occupies the positive space, while the white background represents the negative space. Now, I will show you 9 artworks, and I want you to identify which emphasis technique is used. Are you ready? Let's start. What kind of emphasis is shown here? First image. Okay, second image. That's right. Third image. Correct. Fourth image. Very good. Fifth image. Excellent. Sixth image. Well done. Seventh image. Exactly. Eighth image. Nice observation. And lastly, ninth image. Great job. Now, I'll introduce a new art form. It is silhouette art. Silhouette art features a solid single color shape, usually black, against a contrasting background, representing the outline or shadow of a subject. And this week, we will create our own silhouette artwork. For now, I want you to prepare these materials: black colored paper, oil pastel, short bond paper, pencil, scissors, and masking tape. In part 2 of this video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process. Stay tuned and happy creating!